back to my channel. So for this vlog this week, I'm gonna make a new video for today, and this is a tutorial video. So how to connect your Nintendo Switch or any gaming console into your tablet as a second monitor, right? So okay, without further ado, just gonna have to start it up, and also it's already gonna be setting up here already. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see this, how to connect your Nintendo Switch or PlayStation or Xbox into your tablet. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started, okay? Alright everyone, so here we go. So I'm here at my tablet, okay? I'm here in my tablet. So I have an application for this one, right? I have an application. So I'm gonna for the Android. So right, so I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to put it in the description below, right? So okay, I'm gonna have to use this USB camera, okay? USB camera viewer. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get one of my, so I'm gonna have to get the connector for this one. All right. So alright everyone, so I'm got over here is this one. So a video capture, and it's also a this one right over here. So let's hope if it's gonna be working, right? I was just hoping it's gonna be working. Okay, so I'm gonna have to connect that one, okay, and then also I'm gonna have to connect my Nintendo Switch into the outlet. Okay, so since it is gonna be using the power, right? So okay, here it goes. So and then you're gonna have to get the controller for the Nintendo Switch. Okay, here it goes. Open USB camera viewer to handle USB video. So gonna have to always open. So let's go, gonna have to check that out, and then let's go, gonna have to. Alright, so here it goes, and then just a couple of moments is gonna be, right? So there you go guys, so here it goes. So this is the output of this, this is the output for the Nintendo Switch, right? So yeah, I think, yeah, it's lag, okay, but you can but you can change the settings for this one if you want to, so here it goes. So you can see right over there. So if we got the center mode, we got the enable, we got the render using RGB, close up on camera, and then we've got some right over here, so enable audio. So it is gonna be enabling the audio for this one. So let's gonna go back. So the default, okay, location if you want to record that one, right? If you want to record your game, so yeah, and it's gonna be back again for the, right? So yes, have to go back. We got right here for the encoding. If you see right there, we got the 720 by 576 the resolution. We've got also the frame rate of the 60.0 FPS. Okay, so if I'm gonna have to change that one into 1080, let's go, gonna have to try that one. Okay, if how good it is, right? Yeah, so it's, yeah, it's faster than the previous one, right? But the screen resolution is not just the full screen, right? So let's go, gonna have to gonna have to play one game. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with this one. So let's go, gonna have to check that out. So it is also this one right over here is you can record this one, right? So I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay, so yeah, let's go, gonna have to try it out. So that is the resolution. So yeah, it, because it is so small, right? So it is a tablet. So let's go, gonna have to, okay, let's go, gonna have to try it out. So some games, if it is gonna be a good one. So yeah, audio for this one is enabled, so I don't know if it's gonna be, all right. So yeah, let's go, gonna have to try some games. Okay, let's go gonna have to try some games. Okay, so here it goes, guys. So we can okay, for the Nintendo Switch, right? So yeah, so this for the Switch 1. So I don't know if it's gonna be working on the Switch 2, right? So I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be working on the Switch 2, right? So here it goes, and then yeah, perfect. But yeah, it is not lag, right? So it is not lag. So, and it's also a really good one if you really wanted to. It is a really good, huh? If you want to play, if you want to play in your tablet, so you can play it up. Okay, you can play it up. So yeah, just using that application, right? Just using this the application that I'm gonna be putting that into the, you know. Okay, so yeah, and okay, so oops, all right, yeah, this is a nice if you really wanted to have this kind of, you know, this game is also, I like this game also, right? So yeah, the more you play, the more the harder it goes, right? So it's leveling up some of your characters, right? The characters that you are using to play with it. So that is one thing, this is one thing that I like the most of this game, Gems of War, right? So it is a really good, it is a really good game, right? So it's a really good game. So also, yeah. So far, if you want to change the resolution of this one, you can change it up. So it's up to you if you want to change it up, right? So I just pick the 1080 by 1024, right? And it's really good. It is really pretty good, right? So if you want to play your Nintendo, if you want to play some games Nintendo Switch on your tablet, right? So no need to no need to what is this called, use an emulator, right? Okay, in your tablet, so you can play Nintendo Switch from directly, you can play games directly from Nintendo Switch to your tablet, and it's a really nice, right? So perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have to and I'm gonna have to finish this one also. Okay. Okay, so that here it goes, guys. So yeah, so far this is one good. So let's go, gonna have to check the resolution for the Nintendo Switch, right? So since the resolution is coming from the resolution is coming from the tablet, so gonna have to go to the gonna have to go to this settings, okay, TV settings. So since on the TV settings we got the 720, so I'm gonna have to change it to 1080, and let's go check it. It's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be good. Okay, okay, oh okay, perfect, so nice. Okay, but you know the screen is so small, right? So as you can see, so 1080 in the Nintendo Switch, and also 1080 also for the tablet resolution, right? So yeah, perfect. So I don't know if it's gonna be working for the Nintendo Switch, right? So I think it's gonna be working for the, I think it's gonna be working for the OLED, right? Nintendo Switch OLED. So I'm gonna have to check it out for the Nintendo Switch 2 if it is gonna be, if it's gonna be working. All right, okay. So alright, so this is the Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, so yeah, it is also working for the, it is also working for the Nintendo. Oh, that was fast. Okay, I like this one. So yeah, so I forgot the resolution for the Nintendo Switch 2, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out for the system. Okay, let's go, gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to check for the, what is this one. Okay, let's go, gonna have, where is that? So wireless e-label. So I'm gonna have the resolution for this one, right? So I didn't see the resolution in this here. Okay, okay, so yeah, I didn't see it. So sleep mode. Okay, Not here for the notification. Not for the theme. Amiibo. Me display. Okay, there we go. So we got the 1080 pixels. Okay, for the full HD. Okay, 1080, right? So it's also 1080 for the 1080 for the, right over here. Look at that. So 1080. Perfect. So let's go gonna have to try some games, right? So I'm gonna have to go with this Cartoon Network Battle Crushers. Okay, let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay. So since there is no, yeah, you can record this one if you want to record this game. Yeah, look at that. So there's some, right over there. So okay, so let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay. Press. Okay. Press. Okay. 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 Um. Okay. This is the controller for the torso, but it is not connecting. Okay. What happened? Okay. Okay. So since it's always the controller is always disconnecting, so I'm gonna have to try that. Okay. So okay, gonna have to try another game, right? So since has a problem with the, has the problem with the, let's go. Okay, okay. So gonna have to try another game. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try some other game that it is not, right? So we've got right over here. We've got this DL2, so gonna have to try that one. Okay, so since those Cartoon Network Brawl is gonna not gonna be supported by the controller, right? So gonna have to gonna have to you know right, so have to change another game. So let's try this one right here over here. So let's go gonna, okay. So just like the style for this one is also still the ZR for you to play the game, right? Oh, what happened? Okay, there you go. So DL2 is free to play, so is free download, right? DL2 is free download. So Drift, I don't know what. Yeah. So just, yeah, it's a Drift Legends, right? It's a Drift Legends. All right. Yeah, and it's also a nice one also if you really want to play this game. All right, and then you, okay. All right. Yeah, there you go. So drift, okay. We got some drift, okay. Drift, okay. Yeah, look at that. So Yeah, perfect. So no lag, okay? All right. Yeah. So perfect. So yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Okay. So the last one is we're gonna have to check it out the PlayStation if it's gonna be working in the tablet. All right. All right. Yeah. Yes. It's working also for the tablet, the Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, nice. All right, yeah. We really look at that. So let's go. Gonna have to try some games. Okay, I'm gonna have to try. Okay, Speedstorm. All right. So let's go. Gonna have to check it out. Okay, this is perfect. So yeah, you can bring your PlayStation and play some games into your tablet, right? Yeah. Yeah, using this USB camera viewer. So I'm gonna have to link down below the application for this one, right? So since for on the Android, so but if you are using also a what is this called? If you are using an iPad, right? So since most of the iPad now is already uh, since most of the iPad now today is supporting now Type C, right? So you can use your right. You can use already your uh, like this one. So if you are using a duck, right? So yeah, it's taking too long to play the game, right? So yeah. Okay, there we go. So let's go. Gonna have to play. So I was gonna have to check that out. All right. So yeah, it depends on the resolution, right? It depends on the resolution. If you are, what is this? Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Oh, this is so smooth, right? Oops. Okay. Uh, wrong. I'm in the wrong direction. Yeah. Well, so far for the PlayStation also is a really good, right? So for the Nitro Boost is letter X, right? So okay. I was first. Okay. All right. Yeah. Perfect. So nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. So far, if you really wanted to have this kind of game, have to kind of for your tablet, right? All right. So all right, so far that was good. Okay, so yeah, how to connect, yeah, right? How to connect your gaming console into your tablet, right? So yeah, small monitor for your bigger a monitor for your right? And it's also, this is a really good one also, right? So perfect, and also this is a good one. This is a good, what's this called, a good solution for if you want to have some portability, right? So if you want to bring your Nintendo Switch, and it's also, if you want to bring Nintendo Switch, and you cannot put and you cannot and you cannot and you cannot connect it into a TV. So yeah, tablet is good. Okay, so a tablet is good. Either you are using an Android or an iOS, right? So iOS, iPad, right? So if you are using either of that two, so yeah. And it's also, I think it's gonna be working also on another Xiaomi, like any tablet, Lenovo Legion, right? So yes, and it's a really good one. So if you really wanted to play in your Nintendo, if you are really wanted to play games, right? So, and also a really good one also, if you really wanted to have, if you really wanted to play that kind of game into your tablet, right? So either you are using a Nintendo Switch, you are using what is called PlayStation, or an Xbox, right? So I don't know if it's gonna be working on this retro. So I forgot to retro gaming stick, right? So I also have a retro gaming stick, but I still do I forgot to connect it up. So I think it's also be working with it, right? So yeah, with this USB camera viewer, right, for your gaming console. And it's also, this is a really good one. And also, if you're really into this kind of, if you're really into this kind of vlog, so be sure to subscribe, okay? And also click the notification bell so that you will notify of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, because giving you some best of the best, okay, in this channel. So okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel for the YouTube algorithm, so here, so that it will help me a lot, to make more videos, right? So to make me motivated to make more videos here on my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.